Okay, guys, today we're talking about a new sound that we know, and it's the oi sound. So there's two ways that we can make this sound, oi and oy, and we're going to look at those here in just a moment. We're also going to review our vowel chunks that we already know and practice those so that we're all on the same page. So let's go ahead and get rolling. Okay, so here are our vowel chunks. We've got all different kinds. Let's make it just a little bit bigger so we can see. We've got all different kinds of vowel chunks here. We are going to start with our vowel teams that we already know. So we have AI, like rainbow, it makes the A sound. We have AY, that also makes the A sound, long A. We have EA, that makes the E sound, long E, just like EE makes the long E sound. Excellent. We have IE, and that makes I, like in pie. We also have IGH, that makes I, like in pie. Skipping over here, we've got OA, and that's O, like in goat, or OE, O, like in toe, or OW, O, like in snow. Now let's go over our R controlled sounds. We have AR, like in car, and that says R. We have ER, like like in flower. Another one that makes the sound is IR, like in bird. And then we've got some OR sounds right here, or, like in corn, corn. And then we have another R controlled right here, which is making the sound again, like in turtle. Very good. Okay, there's a couple other vowel teams that we need to discuss. We have OU right here that says ow. Mouse says ow right there. We also have UE, ooh, ooh. It makes ooh, just like in spoon, ooh. So OO and UE. But OO has two sounds, doesn't it? It can say ooh or it can say So you just have to be careful about which one you're thinking about. Today, we are going to talk about two new ones, which is OI and OY. And they both say oi. 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 N. So both of these vowel teams, OI and OY, are going to say oi. Let's practice with some pictures. All right. So I'm going to drag the pictures over, and we can decide where we hear the oi sound. Do we hear it at the beginning, in the middle, in the end, or not at all? So the first picture is coins. Coins. Where do we hear the oi sound? Oi. Well, I hear it in the middle, so I'm going to put it in the middle. The next word is boil. Boil. We're listening for the oi sound. Oi. So that again is in the middle, isn't it? Here's one. Oysters. Oysters. Wow, oysters. Where do we hear oi? I hear it as the first sound, so it goes for the beginning. Very good. Okay. Cowboy. Cowboy. Where do I hear the oi sound? I hear that at the end. So I'll drag this picture to the end. I don't know what this is a picture of. I cannot tell, so we're just going to ignore it. All right, next one is, this is kind of funny. Toilet. Toilet. That's funny. Toilet. Where do we hear the oi sound? Oi. Oi. It. Well, that's in the middle. It's not at the beginning or the end. And then our last picture here is coach. coach. Do we hear the oi sound in coach? No, we don't. So it does not have our focus sound. All right, moving on to our next thing. We're going to sort some words. Now, guys, remember that when we're sorting these words, that we are listening for the oi sound. We can make the oi sound by having oi or oy. So the only two ways we're going to get that sound. So if these words don't have that in it, it can't make our sound. The first word is coy. Coy. So where would that go? OI or OY? Well, that goes for OY. So I'm going to drag it to O. Well, I was going to drag it. Hang on. Go to OY. There we go. OY. My goodness. Okay. The next word is hoist. Hoist. Where does that word go? Hoist goes under OI. The oi sound is being made by OI. Next word is join. Join. Oi is being made again by OI for this word. Next is boys. Boys. How are we making the oi sound here? OI or OY? OY is the winner this time. Next word is coat. Coat. Do you hear the oi sound in coat? No, I don't hear it either. No focus sound. And our last word here is broil. Broil. Where do we hear the oi sound? Which letters are making oi? OI is making oi this time. So we'll drag it over here to the OI. All right, that's all for today about our new sound, oi. And that's made from the variant vowel team, OI and OY. Thank you for learning with me today, and I will see you next time.